Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, guys, I have here the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I'll be showing you on this device. A cool trick, and this is how to, with your built-in calculator, how to actually use it as a scientific calculator. Now, of course, it also has other cool features that you can actually use. And of course, you do not need a third-party app for a more advanced calculator. All right. So in order to do this, go ahead and swipe over. If you tap here in your utilities folder, you'll see the calculator. Go ahead and open. And as you can see here, this is the calculator app. Let me adjust this a bit. Now, the fun thing about it is that it's straightforward and of course it's easy. It's like a simple calculator. Now, if you need a more advanced calculator, such as a scientific calculator, go ahead and tap the calculator symbol here, and if you go here you can actually switch to scientific. All right, so there you go. So this is the scientific calculator now, and you can see all the functions, especially the advanced functions. And if you go back, this would be the basic that is used by most people. All right, so you have that fun function, and that's also one of the things that you can do. There's also a unit converter. So you can actually convert between units. So as here, you can switch between a number of stuff. You have a whole lot of stuff such as area, angle, data, energy, force, you name it. So there's a bunch of stuff here, right? Volume, weight. So it's actually way more detail, all right? You can search for something specific down here. So for example, you can check here, so you can convert between units. So you do not need an app for unit conversion, it's here. You do not need an app for converting between, for example, centimeters and inches. It's all built in, all right? So especially those things you would normally go to Google for, it's all built into the app here. And of course, as well, guys, there's a math note. And of course, you can see here that there it says no notes, but you can actually make math note here. You can actually add stuff. So for example, you can add, and here you can do a bunch of stuff. You can write. If I put 2 here, you can do simple math, and you can, I think there's a way as well to make specific notes, such as it can do calculations and so on. If you explore it, you'll find a lot of the other stuff you can do, so you can actually go ahead and mess around. All right, so it's very detailed. You can edit, and you can see the note is there. And guys, it's fun because you can also solve. For example, if you go back to the pen, you can say, sorry about that, let me read it out. So you can say 1 plus 1, and then simply place equal, and notice the 2 appears, so it actually does the calculation for you. And you can do formulas and so on. It will solve the equation. All right, so when you're finished, you can actually exit. All right, so you see it's saved as a note. So you can actually have your math note. So you can actually use this for math class or for your practice. All right, so when you're finished, you can go back to the calculator. So for example, the scientific, it's there as you were saying. All right, so here we have all of the cool features between your conversions in terms of foreign exchange, length, and so on, your math notes. So you can actually keep specific notes, as there's a note built into the here for your notes itself. So you can actually do your math within the calculator app. You have the basic and you have the scientific calculator. All right, guys. So those are some advanced functions of the calculator in case you did not know those. And bear in mind as well that the notes itself for the math will end up in your general note app. So the general note app is the same one that's there. So all of them are unified in the note app. All right, so hope that was helpful in terms of your calculator, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.